Hey folks, Danny here at Partey. Just want to share a couple of little fun things with you, and then we're going to share more Polaris demonstrations in low light environment. I'll be back with one last one in highlight to show Polaris in its full splendor. But first, I just want to show you, this is a Bell & Howell 1968 manufactured projector that my son, this is a Super 8 projector, my son got this for my birthday. And I thought that was just the coolest gift. Him and his wife, Brittany, searched trying to find one that worked. It actually does work. I have a couple of 8mm movies that I've purchased that will be coming in. One is going to be The Empire Strikes Back, and the other one is a version of Smokey and the Bandit. So I want to definitely get those, have a little collection there for fun. Obviously, this is not going to be like a home theater projector, but what a great piece of history, and actually still works fine, and be able to watch a couple of movies off of it. I just thought it was a really cool gift for them to take the time to go find this. They found quite a few, but most of them either weren't in, functional, or they were being sold for parts, things like that. But this one's in full working order. So really, really cool. And then I've got something that's going to be coming up in just a second. Now I'm just kind of going through the little gadgets there. It's got a slow-mo. It's got obviously the zoom and being able to make adjustments to clarify your picture there. But just a really nice old Bell & Howell home projector. But the big excitement today is, there you go. We have a big hole in the ground now where the pool's going to go. So looking forward to that. That's everybody around here is pretty excited because it's not just going to be the pool. We're going to have a building behind it, a recreational area with a little bar area and all little game stations, all kinds of little fun stuff. So looking forward to that. And I'll leave you now with Polaris.